Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enter FastBoot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn off your smartphone by holding down power key. Wait for it to turn off completely. And after it completely turns off, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume up to navigate and volume down to select the second option, FastBoot mode. And after that you will enter FastBoot mode, which are these letters here saying. So if you want to quit FastBoot mode, you have to hold down power key for about 7 seconds, and after that your device should be restarted. If it doesn't work, we'll try some other method, but this should work. Yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.